These are napkin strips. Fetish ko yan eh. This video is actually all about what's inside my makeup kit. Okay, first we have our bought this at Watson's. Meron siyang buy one take one. Mabango siya, guys. Bango-bango. Yan. Nagamit ko na yung isang violet. Naubos na siya. So, yun na lang natira. Next is our Silka. Wala na siya eh. Naubos na siya. Then, partner with our cotton rounds, which I bought at Mercury Drugs. 50 plus pesos, 50 plus something. So yun, I use this for cleansing both. Then after cleansing my face, I always use this, the face mist, which will help your makeup in place or intact. There, this is from Watson, and this is 199 pesos. May piso pa kayo. So next, after I apply face mist, I apply Olay. Ito yung gamit ko ngayon. Before it's color pink. It comes with UV protection. Charot. So I have 3 in stock here. There. I actually use this. I tried to use Maxipil, pero makati siya. And I tried to use this Soul White, endorsed by Janice. Pero hindi ko siya bet. Next is this Maybelline, which I bought sa Shopee. COD, it's only 299 pesos on sale. And this is 120 shade, Classic Ivory. I also use Johnson's baby powder. Any color will do. Walang problema sa mukha ko yun. Hindi masyadong sensitive. And then, I have, let's go sa aking makeups. Sa face. Here. May tag price. Oh, the SM store. Yan. Isa-isahin natin siya. So, I have here spare sponge. From Watson, it's 70 plus peso, pero nag-sale siya, 59 na lang siya. Then, sponge. Then, I have mascara. Yan, from Simply Pretty. I have eyeliner. This is eyeliner. I will focus. Eyeliner. Yan. And I have eyebrow pencil, eyebrow liner from Avon. Yeah, 59 pesos and 69 yung eyebrow pencil. And then this one, Simply Pretty eyeshadow. Goddess. This is Goddess. Yan. Then ito, lip balm to moisturize my lips. I always use this before applying lipstick or any liquid lipstick. Then this one, which is Shine No More Press Powder Pink Blush. Intentionally binili ko siya as blush on. Pero wala pa ako before ng foundation. Then this one is a Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline. Regalo ni Janice and ni Tita. Yung birthday ko. Then Sharpie. Let's go sa aking lipstick section. Again to dito. Lipstick section, we have Vice Cosmetic. My first ever Vice Cosmetics. Which, in fact, I'm not a fan of BTS. Para sa lipstick. I have LTD liquid lipstick. from Bilena. I have from Pretty Secret Lip and Cheek Tint. I have from Avon, Mark, and the other one, which is buy one take one. It costs 399 pesos. Almost 200 each. I have from Samsung. Sira na siya. Then this one from Ate Pite, not from Levi. This is Glitzy Girl Color Bliss lipstick from Avon. So meron pa akong isa na nawawala. Yung aking Bilena. I mean Caroline. So sa buhok naman tayo, hair care. I have Vitres, Cocontina. Vitres hair freshener. Then I have from Glam Works. This is hairspray.
Something like a spray net. Actually, naguluhan ako. Bobo lang, hindi nagbabasa. Kala ko katulad lang siya nito, Vitres hair freshener. Which is mas mabango to kaysa dito. So, binili ko siya. And mas mura siya. Yun pala, for instant freeze pala to. So, there, magbasa sa susunod para hindi nagkakadalawa kasi hindi ginagamit.
Last is for my hair, we have Vitres Cuticle Coat na mauubos na. So, yun. Oh, by the way, I have a new baby. This is the Michido Fancy Colors Pressed Powder in Beige, which is only 88 pesos. So, that's it. So, there. Fancy Colors. Ta-da! And I have eyeshadow from Naked, which I purchased at Shopee for only 108 pesos. 12/12 sale. So there. Yun lang yun. For my perfume colognes, I actually use Bella since college. It's only 99 pesos sa Watsons. And I have extra cologne from Ate Gelay, which is the Bambini Last Christmas gift. Charan! Binigay ng kapatid ko. Actually, hindi sa akin yun. Then here I have, charan, my brush. Oops. My fetish. These are napkin strips. Fetish ko yan eh. Nag-iipon ako niyan. Gagawin kong bookmark. I don't know. So, yun. I have my brush here. Ay, wait. So, yan. So, meron for lip, face, shader, eyeshadow, foundation, angled eyeliner, eyeshade stick. So, maliit lang siya compare sa nakikita ko online. Ay, ano ba yan? Akala ko malaki siya. So, I bought this for 180 pesos sa online shopping. Ayun. So, I have here stock of... Let's go. Let's ready na. Wait. So, here, inside this mirror, meron dyang little compartment. Let's see. So, let's see. I have stock. Oh, yeah. This is my new baby again. Skin so soft. Ultra Glutathione Beauty Bar Soap. Yeah, this is only 79 pesos or 80. I don't know. Then, I have stocks of... Wait. There, I have stocks of... tissues. Kasi mahilig akong mahatching. So, nag-stock na ako na nakakairitang suminga sa mga damit. Then, I have stock of, yeah, Modest. Wala na yung laman. Yeah, to moisturize my skin, I have Silka. I use Silka if I will go out. Kasi meron siyang SPF 6. Wait, I don't know. SPF 6 siya. So, yeah, I use Silka. And then, I have stock. Iba yung lagin. I have 3 stock here. Yeah, there. I have 3 stocks. And also, this is for whitening and sun protection. But I have 4 moisturizing only, which I use day and night. Before sleep, lunchtime, morning, anytime. I bought this for 280. Forgot. So there, ganun lang siya. Hindi kayo marunong at patient assemble, hindi nyo matapos yun. So yan lang siya, guys. That's pretty much everything about this vlog. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!